Have you ever wondered what it's like to get a hair transplant procedure done? Well, today we are going to show you guys a story of a man who documented his procedure from beginning to end. Dubi is a real estate entrepreneur who flew here from Israel to get a hair transplant done with Dr. Parsa Mohebi. He is extremely passionate about establishing business relationships, and having self-confidence in one's appearance definitely plays a huge role in cementing these connections. So Dubi really wanted to share all the steps of the process to show what getting a hair transplant is truly like. Wanting the perfect results, Dubi looked all over the world to make sure that he found the right hair transplant surgeon. After Dubi's consultation, he knew that Dr. Mohebi was the right match for him because of his skill and his experience. So once Dr. Mohebi and Dubi finalized everything for the procedure, they decided that 1,700 grafts in an FUE procedure would be appropriate for him. Many people tend to be very weary when it comes to getting a hair transplant, but to help with that, Dubi created both a blog and an Instagram account for his hair transplant journey. The amazing thing about the way that Dubi shared his hair transplant journey is that he even put in the little details that people may forget about. Everything from the Uber to the surgery, designing the hairline, the actual process after, he covered in his Instagram and his blog. What a lot of people don't realize about the FUE hair transplant is that it does take time to grow to its full potential. So the great thing about what Dubi did is he shared his journey from day 1 all the way up to the 9-month point. Dubi began showing his progress at day 1 right after surgery during his hair wash, and he also mentioned that he was feeling great and had no pain at all. The unique thing about the way that Dubi shared his hairline progress is that he shared photos from the same angle that are unretouched completely so that people can really see the progress that he had day by day. He even showed close-ups to show all the details of the hairline. The amazing thing about Dubi's hair transplant journey is that he even helped individuals who are feeling a little bit hesitant about the whole process get started on their own hair transplant journeys. We think it is incredible that Dubi shared his unfiltered experience about his FUE procedure to the world, because people don't all know the details about what this process is like, and stories like this really help shed light and educate others who want to get it done.